Hi everyone, my name's Rob from We Buy Homes. Today I just wanted to tell you a little bit about who I am, the person that you'll be dealing with from go to woe, from looking at your house to making an offer to helping you move on with your life. So yeah, a little bit about me. I've been involved in the buying earthquake damaged property for about the last 2.5 years, and really enjoyed helping people that have got to the point where they've settled with their insurance company. They're just over it. They want to move on with their lives, and so then getting them, helping them with that process to move on with their lives into their next property, making it a stress-free, seamless, very simple, straightforward process for them. So anyway, so that's what I do now. I really enjoy doing that. But just a little bit about me. Prior to that, I'm born and bred local Cantabrian. I was brought up in the country. Sheffield Darfield area, went to Darfield High School, played a lot of rugby, passionate All Black supporter, and yeah, really enjoyed the Christchurch region, and obviously having been through a lot with the earthquakes. Yeah, it's good to see the city, and great to see things really starting to get back to a much better level than it has been in terms of the growth, in terms of everything that's happening in Christchurch. So, and I'm part of that process. So, yeah. So look, if you want a stress-free, straightforward, honest approach to selling your house, give me a call. More than happy to come and chat with you about it. See if we can agree on terms and price, and make it work for both parties. Give me a call on 0800 PAY IT. Look forward to hearing from you.